Hello, my dear friends. Last night I visited Sweet Noise Festival, which went great. Uh, I was especially mesmerized by the voice of one of performance performers, Ellie Rose. She was great. Good job, Ellie. I hope to see you Thursday at the Soapbox. Good luck with your writing. The noise just now got so very sweet, although before it was completely sour. After this voice, the evening could proceed. It has just started. Hour of power. This magic voice just got me mesmerized. It was extremely powerfully sounding. I gained back feelings which were paralyzed. My heart and soul just felt so astounding. I hope these feelings last for very long. The sweetest pain with just a little burning. I found that last place where I belong. My heart and soul will here be returning. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Thank you, Ellie, again. Great job.